In Nigeria, can we do something that is different? Listen, you may not understand as a cameraman what is coming before us. What is coming before us is different from what we are seeing with our natural eyes. In the spiritual realm, many things are coming against us. Listen, many countries are chasing us away, dealing with us. They are not dealing with us because we are the most bad people. No, we are not the most people that doesn't matter in the society. We matter, but it is only one thing that is destroying us. We don't make decisions when we are supposed to make decisions. I was in Dubai in 2019. When the outbreak of Corona came, I was just 2 weeks. I stayed there, and that was when they banned Nigerians from working in Dubai. They no longer give them work permits. They don't allow them to work. They keep repatriating them back to Nigeria. And that is not, it doesn't end there. After 2020, in 2020, I left the shores of Dubai to another country. Only to still know till today, 2024, that Nigerians are still in Dubai, suffering and rigmaroling. And our National Assembly is there. I heard the aviation minister saying, I don't know when they will remove the ban from Nigeria to start working or start coming to Dubai. It looks, when I see it, it looks as if it's romancing, it's just romancing a football. Yesterday, I called one of my brothers that is still in Dubai. How about the ban? He told me that it's still there. What are you people using to eat? He told me that we are not eating, no, we are just calling from the village. They are sending us money from Nigeria. I begin to laugh. It is very ridiculous that the Emirates of Dubai will stop Nigeria from coming to Dubai and also stop them from working. Now, what is happening? The country is eating us raw because now their aircraft comes to Nigeria every day, carry people to different countries. They are coming and going. And that don't even give them the reason why they should reason that this country we are siphoning and taking their money on aircraft. They also need some money. Upon that, our people who are in Dubai are also calling our people in Nigeria to send them money because they are not allowed to work. They are eating us and using double standard on us. And our Federal Aviation Authority fan is there. Aviation Minister is there. The House of Assembly Ministers, they are there. The Senate, they are there. And they are seeing what is happening. The aircraft is coming every day and landing, and they are very well, they are alive and well with it. It is better all of you will just arise. Anybody that stops you, stop him. That is my own word. If you pinch somebody and that person pinches you, you will know that it is hot. The country we are talking about is not richer than Nigeria. They are not richer than. But it is because our elite, our leaders have made us to be so common. And when people also see you as a common people, and you make yourself also common, what will happen? It means that you don't have things here. When someone have made you common and you also make yourself common, that means your hair is not working. It is high time we stopped anyone who is stopping us, so that they will feel it. That water they have given us to drink in a dirty cup, it is better also we get that water and give them in a dirty cup, so that they will drink and know that dirty cup is not good. I want to speak in a language everyone will understand, so that I will not offend anybody. What is going on with this country is not in any way good. Anybody traveling to overseas is traveling to see that he made money and bring home. But this one now, they are making money and be sending to that country. They are eating them, and also in two ways. They are eating the money they have made and also eating the one the village people have made. That is double standard, and I say no to it. That is why they crown us that is from Niger as bad people. When a person is not working, won't he eat food? He will eat. And he will eat the food from any means. If you see foreigners in your place and you don't allow them to work, that means you are encouraging illegalities, because illegalities will be many. Good number of them are doing nefarious things. Many of our ladies are there naked. That is what they are doing. Because they are not giving job, they don't have anything to do. It is high time we stop whoever that stops us. Let them feel it, even if they don't travel to people's country, because their country is good. They pay them every month. Let us stop their investment coming here. Aircraft is an investment. Let us stop that investment. Let us stop it, so that they will feel the way we are feeling here. Our mothers are crying, our sisters are crying that we are in overseas and we are not coming back with money, and they are sending the one that is in the village you are supposed to be sending to them. They are sending to you, you are eating, and you tell me that country will come to my place and be okay and be working. That means I don't have something up here. I am very stupid. And I cannot be a stupid person someone called me. Let us rise now. Nigeria, rise. It is not chasing Biafra and chasing Oduduwas. That is where it will end. It's not chasing Boko Haram that it will end. We still have many things to chase. Let us chase this one. Chase whoever that is chasing us, so that they will know how chase normally work. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. If you like what I am doing, subscribe now if this is your first time. And also, if you have subscribed, make sure you like, share across to people. Anyone that is chasing us will fall for us. God bless you. I am a prophet in disguise. Till next time.